Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah and I'm going to do the second part of the video now. I hope you have watched the previous one already. If you haven't, I suggest you to go and watch it now. When I did explain how to draw all of these facial features, and today I'm going to put them all together. So let's get started. So first of all, I just need to draw a circle. I don't go very dark now, and I make it darker later. And then, so the diameter of this circle needs to be half, and just as same size as this, I go down, and this is the chin line. So now I need to make an angle which needs to be about, let's say, 45 if we imagine this as a 90-degree. So this one needs to be 45. And now we just join them together. Now we have the full shape of the head. So it is time to put like all the facial features together now, and we need to find out where everything needs to be placed. Okay guys, so now we need to find out where every feature needs to go. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, there is one video about the facial preparation, and there is in that video I do exactly explain where everything goes, and very like the measurement is explained very well. But this one is for especially for fashion figure drawing in a very tiny size like that, and I will just explain that generally. If you would like to watch that one, it's available in my channel, and you can go and watch that later. So the position of the eyes is here in the middle of the face. So you just make it half. If you need to measure it, do it with your ruler. If not, just make it with your like just measure it with your eyes and draw a line like that. And now it is time to draw eyes. So eyes needs to be like this wide. You just need to divide this into 4 sections. So this is 1 in the center, 2, 3, and half in each side. So imagine there is one eye in the middle, the same size needs to be in each side, and in the corner imagine there is 2 half eyes. Now we need to find out where lips and nose will go. So we will now imagine there is a line in the center and divide it into 2. So now we need to make nose like that. And this is now time to draw lips with 2 circles on top, 1 circle at the bottom. So lips can be wider than nose, and also from kind of 1/3 of the eyes you can draw a line to here and just try to make lips like that. Perfect. Now it is time to draw the eyeball. Eyelashes. And now the eyebrows. So perfectly done so far. And then now it's time to draw hair and also ears. Ears are next to the eyes. Just start it from here and finish it before nose. So now we need to draw hair as well. So the root will start a bit lower than the headline. And we need some volume on hair. So now let's just draw a very basic hair. And imagine it is a ponytail at the back. And now we will draw neck as well. So let's start from the end of the eye line and the other side. So that's it, guys. So we could very easily, and in about 10 minutes we did draw a beautiful face with all the features and hair included. And yeah, I really hope you found this video useful and learned something new today. If you have any suggestion for my future's video, please let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye.